The British government will be sending its first flight of asylum seekers to Rwanda on Tuesday, after judges in London threw out final bids by human rights groups and campaigners to stop the controversial plan. The fresh judgment supports a previous decision by the High Court that it was in the public interest for the government to carry out its policies. Under the scheme, some of those entering the UK illegally will be flown to Rwanda to apply for asylum there. Campaigners were trying to stop the flight before a full hearing on whether the policy is lawful next month. As part of an initial $148 million deal with Rwanda, Britain will send some migrants who arrived illegally by crossing the channel in small boats from Europe. 8 people are expected to fly to the East African country on Tuesday evening from initial 37. The numbers drastically reduced after legal challenges relating to modern slavery and human rights claims. Human rights groups say the policy is inhumane and will put migrants at risk. In his part, the UN Refugee Agency Chief Filippo Grandi said the decision to send migrants to Rwanda was wrong. The United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees has said Rwanda, whose own human rights record is under scrutiny, does not have the capacity to process the claims, and there is a risk some migrants could be returned to countries from which they had fled.